Here are a few Amazon hacks to save you money. But first, like, comment, and subscribe. 1. Getting Amazon Prime for free if you're a college student. College students, or anyone really within Email can get 6 months membership of Prime for free through Amazon Prime Student. It's not the full Prime membership, as it doesn't include instant video, but it does get you free 2-day shipping. If you want to get the full membership, you can get it for 50% off the normal rate. You can even get a referral credit of $10 for every friend you bring into the plan. 2. Get discounts by not checking out right away. Here's an interesting idea. Try adding items you want to your shopping cart, but then don't go through with the purchase. After a few days, you'll get a reminder email from Amazon telling you that you have items left in your cart, asking you to complete your purchase. This is known as shopping cart abandonment in the industry. Amazon, like most businesses, wants you to buy. So, in order to entice you to go through with it, they'll give you exclusive coupons and discounts that only people who have abounded their shopping carts will receive. So if you don't mind waiting to get what you're buying, it might be worth the wait. 3. Get paid to shop on Amazon. If you don't yet shop through a cashback/rebate site, you're missing out on free money. Cashback sites are basically shopping portals where for every customer they send to a business/website, they earn a commission. And in order to entice people to shop through them, they give some of that commission to the buyers in the form of cashback. For a shopper, it's an easy way to make or save money. I mean, if you're going to buy something anyway, you may as well go through a cashback site and get a few dollars back. It won't cost you a dime. And the process is basically the same. The only difference is that instead of going straight to Amazon.com or any other site, you go to the cashback site first so you can click the Amazon link and do your shopping as usual. One of the most well-known ones is Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. You can earn as much as 5% cashback when you go through Ebates. 4. Get a refund if the price drops. Amazon is always changing prices, and if the price of something you buy falls in the following week, you're entitled to a refund of the difference. You can claim this in one of several ways, including email, chat, or on the phone. Note that this only applies to items sold and shipped by Amazon. Amazon also provides a selling outlet for many third-party suppliers who would have their own price match policies, if any. 5. Get an additional 5% off by using Amazon Store Card. You can get an Amazon Store Card which gives a permanent rebate of 5% on anything you buy. It covers every item at all times, not just a select few items. And unlike other credit card rebate plans, you don't have to opt into a category that changes. Of course, as it is a store card, it has a high interest rate, so you should make sure that you pay it back each month as a priority. 6. Share Amazon Prime with Amazon Household. Many Prime members aren't aware that you can actually share your Prime benefits with your spouse. With Amazon Household, you can connect your spouse to your account so they can enjoy the same benefits as you. Also, as an Amazon Prime member, you have access to the cloud, which lets you store an unlimited amount of photos via Amazon Photo Storage. Amazon also allows you to use the cloud for storing other files, such as videos, up to 5 GB, and you can access them from anywhere using an app which lets you share them with your friends. You also get a number of other great benefits like unlimited photo storage and multiple accounts for family members. Access to thousands of movies and TV with Prime Video. Share your digital content through your family library. 30 minutes early access to Amazon Lightning deals. Free 2-day shipping on over 50 million products. 2% rewards every time you reload your Amazon gift card. 15% baby registry, compliments of Amazon Family. Manage your children's content with Amazon Free Time. 7. Get notified when prices drop. Tractor is an online tool which you can use to track Amazon's prices. It lets you track by name, by the URL, or by the ASIN, and is available for all the items that Amazon sells. 8. Want the price to drop? Tell Camel. Sometimes it happens that you don't really want to buy something unless the price falls to a certain level. The problem is, you don't want to keep looking it up day after day to see if the price has dropped. This is where camel.com can help you. Simply set an alert there, and it will notify you if the price falls.